The saying is, the more things change, the more they stay the same. Here we are on Easter Thursday, again in the middle of a COVID shutdown. We've been in shutdown in the Greater Brisbane area for 3 days, so my thoughts go out to the industry as I know you're continuing to trade. We're certainly very hopeful that we can come out of this period next week and be back in full operation. But because our industry is considered an essential industry, the majority of our members are continuing to trade. In that regard, I'm pleased to say we've stayed open. The MTA Queensland has stayed in full operation during the week to make sure we can support you. And if you need any information, you need any advice or support, please contact us. We're all available to help you. That's what we're here for. We've also been pushing out as much information as we can through our various channels as information comes to hand. Of course, a big shout out to those members who are using the MTA Institute for the training of your apprentices and employees. Because you're still in full operation and because we know there's skill shortages now and into the future, our trainers are out there continuing the training of our apprentices and trainees. Now that means if you're comfortable, we will continue to meet, we'll continue to gather in workplaces to keep the training going. You've just got to let us know if you're comfortable, which our trainers will have been in contact. In terms of breaking news, certainly really pleased to announce the government's commitment to introducing legislation. In fact, it's even more than that. They've now introduced the legislation to the Australian Parliament around automotive data sharing. What does that mean? That means all of our independent repairers across our membership are able, well, on the introduction of the legislation, will be able to access the data to be able to repair the most recent of vehicles, the most modern of vehicles. Now that's really important for them to be able to give their customer service, but of course we also recognise there's a balance because dealers also want to be able to get a return on the investment for their industries as well. We certainly take a balanced view but see this as really important. In other news, I'm pleased to announce if you have a look at the members portal, we're designing a range of workshop posters that you can put around the workplace to inform your customers on various rules, regulations, important safety information. You've just got to access the portal, you can download them for free. And if you see something that is not there, i.e. you want a different poster, just let us know, we're happy to design it for you. So my last message of the week really is Easter. I hope you have a fantastic Easter break. Again, we're all really, really hopeful that we can come out of COVID shut down over the Easter period, and I look forward to talking to you hopefully at a member's residence next week. Thank you.